Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this halo eye look. Halo eye looks are my favorite eye looks. They look difficult, but they're actually super easy to do with a few techniques that I'm going to show you. And you can create this look with any eyeshadow palette. I'm using Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl palette, and this is just like a really cool eye look. I love halo eye looks. Very glamorous, perfect for New Year. And so yeah, we'll just jump right into the tutorial. For my eyeshadow base, I just put concealer and setting powder, and then this is the Too Faced Cinnamon Swirl palette I'm going to use. First, you're going to take a transition shade. This is the shade Doughboy, and I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to blend this shade into my crease, all over, into my upper eyelid, lower eyelid, just really warming up the crease area. Good transition shades are matte and easy to blend, and they are a shade slightly darker than your natural skin tone. So I'm really fair right now, so I am using this as my transition shade. If I'm tanner, I'm going to have to change my transition shade. It would be too light. Next, I'm going in with a flat blending brush. This is a Morphe M433. And I'm going with a shade slightly darker than that called Muffin Top. It's just another really good transition shade that's slightly darker than the previous shade. This is also matte, and I'm just blending this into the outer V, inner corner, and crease area. Next, I'm going in with an angled blending brush and a shade slightly darker than that, and that's also matte. It's called See Me Rolling. And so the angled brush is really the secret to making a perfect halo, because you can get in the inner corner and the outer V, and just the way the brush is shaped, it just makes it so much easier to blend out the eyeshadow. Always tap off excess eyeshadow because you don't want to go in with too much pigment. And so here I am blending in my inner corner. Then I'm just going to rotate the brush and blend in my outer V. And then you can use the very tip of this brush to blend up into the crease, because I do connect these two into the crease area. And so using an angled blending brush is also another secret to creating a really easy, effortless halo eye look. I'm then going to apply this to my bottom lash line using the same technique as I did on the top eyelid. And I love the formula of these Too Faced eyeshadows that come in like the tin packaging. They're just super pigmented, they blend so easy, and the shimmers are super vibrant. Next, I'm going to go in with a dense pointed pencil blending brush. This is a smoky brush by Essence, and I'm going with the darkest shade in the palette called Batter Up. And so I am just applying this to my inner corner, my outer V. This is a dark matte shade. This will be the darkest shade that I use, and this will give the most shadow effect to the halo look. And so I'm packing this on the outer V and the inner corner, and then I'm going to take that other angled blending brush and kind of blend them out with the other eyeshadow. I'm using whatever eyeshadow is left on that brush. And so doing this is going to help build that shadow effect. And now it is time to highlight the center of the eye to really make that halo. I'm going with the shade Sweet and Spicy. This is a darkened bronze shimmer, and I'm patting this with my finger in the center of my eye. Sometimes I do use concealer to help make these shimmers more bright, but these shimmers in this palette are so vibrant and bright on their own that I just go in straight with the shadow. I'm then going to take a pencil highlighting brush and go with the lightest shimmer in the palette, which is called Gooey Goodness. And I'm going to apply this to the very center of that shimmer. And then I'm actually going to get this brush wet with some of the Smashbox primer water and then go in with that shimmer again and just try and build it up and make it the most vibrant right in the center. I'm then going to go with my finger and take the shade Sweet and Spicy and just pat that on the edge of the light shimmer. I'm then going to take a pencil highlighting brush and go in with the shade Gooey Goodness, which is the lightest shimmer in the palette, and just recreate the top lid on the bottom lash line. And then I'm just going to recreate what I did on the top eyelid to the bottom lash line and take those same shades with the same brushes and just blend them out and recreate that halo effect. I'm then going to brush away any fallout, and then I'm going to highlight my inner corner with Becca Champagne Highlighter. This is a gold toned highlight, and I find that highlighting my inner corner best with the actual highlighter just makes it last longer and look more vibrant. I'm then going to apply some nude eyeliner to my bottom waterline. This is by LA Girls, and the nude eyeliner really helps the halo effect pop, and it makes your eyes appear larger. I don't apply any black eyeliner, I just apply mascara and false lashes, and then that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and you can create this look with any eyeshadow palette. Halo eye looks are just really easy to recreate, and there's always other eyeshadows that you can substitute for these shades if you don't have it. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.